When you are sitting in front of your computer, for most programs you will find the main menu here on the top of your screen. Depending on which program you are interfacing with, each of these menu options will get more specific to what the program does. So in our case, we will find a lot of options under these menu items that are specific to image editing and manipulation. There are a few menu items that are common among most programs, which you must have encountered before, File and Edit being the most common ones. Under File, you typically find your options to create a new document, open an existing document, save your work, and print. And under Edit, you will get the options to cut, copy, and paste information. We will be looking at various helpful features that hide under this menu as we work with GIMP in the following weeks. A lot of the really important features of GIMP are available to us within these grouped panels that are floating here to our right. You can navigate through these by clicking on their individual tabs. These panels offer various options either in their bottom bar or under a contextual menu, which you can open by clicking on this arrow on the top right corner of the panel. For each of these panels, the contextual menu will display options that are specific to that panel. You can move around the various panels by clicking on their top bar and dragging them out of their original window. You can resize them by clicking, holding, and dragging the bottom right corner of each window. And you can bring them back into their original space by dragging them and letting go when the area has been highlighted. A really important element of the GIMP interface is the Toolbox, which is by default located to the left side of your screen. All of GIMP's tools are located here. The options for setting various tool properties will appear in the Tool Options panel, and these options will change depending on the tool you have selected. Our main working area is the Canvas window here at the center of our screen. You can move the main window by clicking on the top bar and dragging it. You can resize it by clicking on its bottom right corner and dragging. You can close it by clicking on the red bullet here on the top left, or minimize by clicking on the yellow bullet. If you minimize a window, you can bring it back up by going to the main menu under Window and selecting its file name. In our case, it is the Untitled file. Let's go ahead and open an image. We go to the main menu and under File, select Open. I will locate my exercise file folder and this poster document I prepared earlier. I will go ahead and close this untitled blank document and focus on this poster document for now. What we see here on the top bar of this document window is that there is a lot of useful information displayed. The name of the file, poster, followed by its extension, .xcf, which indicates that this is a GIMP document. The color mode information is listed next. In this case, we are looking at an RGB image. Next, we see that the document dimensions are listed, 570 by 578 pixels. On the bottom left corner of our image window, we can also see the magnification at which we're currently viewing our image. 100% indicates we are looking at the most accurate view because each image pixel is represented by one monitor pixel.